Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So yeah, as I said in the Bitcoin video, this price action reminds me a little bit of last Sundays when the altcoins started to sell off. Bitcoin wasn't doing much, but as you can see here on TradingView, the altcoins are quite red. And yeah, I mean, I've changed the microstructure in this correction a little bit based on what happened here. I mean, nothing has been invalidated, but for me, it seems like either we are rolling over, but then it would need to drop and give us some more confirmations lower. For example, a break below 1557 might be needed to confirm that. Or it's morphing again, transforming again into a more complex correction, or a more extended correction rather, not complex, but a more extended correction. Because you will remember from the previous video, we had our WXY. So here a WXY structure, and then within this an A, B, C, and the C wave, it didn't really get off the ground. Yeah, so it didn't really move away from support. So you start to think about different solutions here, different structures in this correction. And so it's either that this correction is over and we're breaking down, or this here was a leading diagonal in an A wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's now coming down in a nice 3-wave move in a B wave, and would then move up in a C wave. Okay, so it doesn't change anything. It simply delays the overall sell-off in a third wave a little bit. But it will depend on the support. If 1557 breaks, we get a sustained break below that level, then we're already likely in the third wave. As long as it's holding, we can still carry on, move a little higher. So again, this resistance level is $1,700. That's the key resistance for this wave 2. It can move up and down below that. That doesn't really matter. And it doesn't change anything if it corrects and morphs a little bit and chops a little bit around. Important is that for our scenario here, which would result in a third wave breakdown to round about, what's the next level? 1459, I think. Yeah. That's the 88.7 FIB level. To get there next, possibly lower, it would need to, well, hold below 1700 and can chop around here, whatever. And then it needs to break below 1557 to confirm that we're heading down. So that's sort of what it's really about. This just starts to look a little bit like this ABC structure that I sketched out here. Price has pulled back to the micro support that we had on the chart, 1613, as you can see. These levels are relevant, but let's be honest, we're moving in a correction. Corrections move and morph and transform a lot. So the levels haven't changed. It still takes a sustained break above 1700 plus a break above the end of August high to consider something more bullish. Until then, this is very much overlapping and corrective price action. And I have currently no reason to believe that a lasting low is in. It is possible, but then I need to see the evidence. And the evidence I get if Ethereum breaks above $1,700 and also takes out the end of August high. Until then, all the comments from the previous videos still stand. And it's going to be interesting because next week we've got the Fed interest rate decision. Probably not going to change much. Yeah, and the interest rate is probably also going to stay stable in September. At least that is what the market forecast says. So if this is the forecast, and if it really stays as it is, the market probably has priced it already in. So we might just see a little bit of volatility. That's it. If there is a surprise, yeah, then the market could also show some increased and additional volatility on Wednesday. But yeah, it reminds me a little bit of the price action last Sunday, where a lot of the altcoins started to sell off. So I'm observing that maybe they know something that BTC doesn't know yet. Ethereum is also selling off a little bit. Not much though, not much. And bear in mind that typically around this time, we get a little bit of end of the week volatility. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.